Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I'm featuring the Swirled Designs bundle and the Banner Sayings stamp set. So I have here Berry Burst and Pretty Peacock. I'm using my favorite colors because I wanna. And these are two of my favorite colors. I have a piece of Fluid 100 watercolor paper here, and I'm just using a paintbrush. I don't know why I did this. I sort of swirled and flicked some of the Berry Burst. It's not what I wanted to do. I don't know. My brain was farting. So I just rubbed the watercolor paper with water, and you can see that little dish. Oh my God, isn't it so cute? It's for soy sauce, but it has like a little fishy in it. I love it. Anyway, I got it at Chinatown in Victoria a couple years ago, and yeah, good luck finding it again. Anyway, so I smeared on some of the Berry Burst, and then I went in and picked up some of the Pretty Peacock, and it does kind of go a little bit purpley in the center, and I'm okay with that. So, and then I sort of picked up some of the colors and then splattered. And then that was it. I heat dried it with my heat tool. So that's the first setting, not the second. And you can see how lovely it turned out. Now, I wanted to make mention that I have adhesive paper on the back of this, the adhesive sheet. So I'm pretty much going to make a sticker. So this is the Swirled Sayings star that is in the die set, and I'm just going to run that through my this is Johnny B, in case you haven't met him yet. He's my mini cut and emboss machine, and he's special because he is in balmy blue. Normally your cut and emboss machines are white, so I got Johnny B here, and just I name stuff, don't judge me. Anyway, I'm going to cut this star out, and there also is in that die set, there is some other stars as well. So I cut them out as well. And actually, I'm going to make 2 cards today because I have the rest of that watercolor paper left out. So I just figured I'm going to make 2 cards, pretty much the same. I don't know if you do that too. Sometimes I just do one. It's like a one-hit wonder, but I liked this design, so I did it twice. So this is the Banner Sayings, and it says, "Here's to you." So it could be something to celebrate. I like these sort of generic-y kind of cards. I dig that because you can use it in a multitude of ways. And now I have the thick basic white here, and there is some splotches in this stamp set, and I really like them. And this is Berry Burst. So I brought in one more color. And as you can see, I'm removed the backing off of that star already when I was trying to take out the middle pieces. So anyway, I made it into a sticker, and now you can see I'm peeling off the release paper from the adhesive sheet, and these are the extra stars I made. There's 3 different sizes, plus there's an outline as well. So I randomly placed this. I knew I was going to place my sentiment strip there. So I am trying to mitigate that and make sure that there's enough room for it. I cut this sentiment strip down. I think it's about 1/2 inch. I cut it down, and then I put dimensionals on the back side of that. And as they say, Bob's your uncle. Do we even know who Bob is? I actually should Google that, because I've heard Bob's your uncle and Fanny's your aunt, and I'm not exactly sure where that saying comes from and who started it. I don't have an Uncle Bob or an Aunt Fanny, to be honest, and I don't understand what it means. Like, we all understand what it means. Bob's your uncle. It means it's as simple as that. Here you go. Whatever. But anyway, Why am I musing? Here I put that outline on top of the other star, and I think it looks super sweet. So that is the card, and I'm just going to make it a second one real quick, simply as well. So in go the splatters. And then the die cut with adhesive sheet on the back. I kind of did it a little bit differently. So the pink side was up and the star was down. And I stamped the sentiment exactly the same way. It's exactly copy, really, pretty much. It's just whether or not you like the blue up or the pink up. So I will leave. So these products are new. They are not from the new catalog, but they are new releases on online. I don't know how where we are with the catalog, to be honest. It's Christmas. I'm a hairdresser. I have zero memory capacity, and that's and that's okay. Please forgive me. I think these are online exclusives. I'm not sure. I do like using online exclusives because they seem to have a longer life. Sometimes the catalogs are a little bit shorter. So anyway, never mind. I didn't need to go into that. Why did I go into that? I don't know. I will leave the links in the description box below, kind of what I used. I'm sort of, limiting the amount of work I have to do here because I am working like a dog. I'm tired. I kind of just want to go lay on the couch and eat French fries, pretty much. Thank you so much for watching. Leave some lovely comments in the comments section below, and I will see you on Friday. Bye for now.